Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. As severe heat waves continue to affect persons globally, here in Jamaica, health experts are sounding the alarm for individuals with asthma. Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
The rising temperatures with an increase in humidity create a perfect storm for asthmatics. Asthma is a condition that affects the airways that carry air in and out of your lungs. According to consultant pulmonologist Dr. Terry Baker, heat can trigger symptoms.
The interesting thing about persons with asthma is that they may have different triggers. So one person with asthma, heat, for example, may trigger their asthma, while for someone else, a cold climate may trigger theirs. And of course, there are other triggers for asthma. So it is important for the person with asthma to recognize as much as is possible what triggers their asthma.
Dr. Baker says asthma is the most common respiratory disease which is on the rise in Jamaica.
So asthma is very common, and depending on what estimates you look at, we're talking anywhere from about 8 to 10% of the population. And while we see it primarily in kids and teenagers, asthma can affect anybody at any age. And I have had adults who have said to me at this stage, Doc, I'm being diagnosed as having asthma. Yes, it can affect anyone.
She's urging asthmatics to take extra precaution when it's extremely hot and to keep inhalers close by.
The rescue pump is used when somebody feels an attack coming on, feels that chest discomfort, feels that shortness of breath, starting to wheeze. That's when they use their rescue pump or their rescue inhaler. While the preventer on the other side is used to prevent or help reduce the frequency of having an asthma attack and the severity of having an asthma attack. So the preventers are often used daily, while the rescue inhalers are used when an attack is coming on.
Asthmatics are also advised to stay hydrated, monitor air quality, and avoid outdoor activities during peak heat hours. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.